kwa nemu, nemu nema mama, kwa nemu, nema janja, kwa nemu. Chukubiko namo gazi nemu iyo.
I'm coming here. Wish me luck.
Yeah, come here. Yeah. Where did you say you are going again?
Interview.
Interview?
Yes, Mama.
Dressed like this?
What's wrong with my dress, Mama?
It's so revealing now. Turn your back. Yeah! It's exposing the whole of your body. How can somebody dress like this to a decent office? Would they give you the job? Okogi is almost out of the skirt. And you want to go into an office to get an interview for a job? But no.
Mama, see, your time and our time is different. In this modern age, we dress to look pretty and sexy all the time.
Okay.
No. Please, where is that my stepsister? Where is she?
Oh, Mercy. Mercy is frolicking around the village with old men. She will not come back now and carry tomatoes to go and sell, oh.
But you sent her to fetch water.
If she does not go and fetch me water, what do I do?
Mama, see, anyway, please, tell her to wash my clothes when she comes back. The ones at the backyard I soaked. Love you. Wish me luck.
Bia, come. Yeah.
Ma.
Oh, give me no, eh? They're taking it up. Don't worry. They're spreading your uku at the back. They're exposing almost everything. Even the underneath that's not supposed to be seen is being exposed.
I love you, Mom.
You're loving me. You're loving me. Did you know use getting money? You're going to spend it. 15 naira has left your bride price already. Go. I'm waiting for you. I'm off here. You're twisting like a shark inside the river. Yeah, be very careful. Come back, Elio. Chima!
Hey, Mercy. Look at how hot your body is. Eh? How can your stepmother ask you to go and fetch water, knowing fully well that you're not feeling fine? Eh? This is pure wickedness, oh. Sorry. Must you go and fetch this water?
I have to. If not, they will kill me.
Hey.
I have to.
See, that's why I'm telling you, come to my house, let me take care of you. Eh?
Hey! Jesus Christ of Umuchenze Kingdom. Mercy!
Nandi, I'll be heading to the stream now.
Thunder will fire you if you move from there. Thunder will fire you. Hey! Eh? Namdi, only mechanic. So Namdi, you broke under this street to be molesting Abby? Hey!
Neka, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm just feeling concerned. Eh? She's not feeling fine. How can you and your mother ask her to go and fetch water, knowing fully well of her condition? Eh? This is pure wickedness. It's not fine.
May Thunder that is going on a deadly mission fire you there.
Fire me?
Yes, fire you. May you fall down and die. Mercy! You are here under the tree kissing Namdi. Hey, the mechanic. And you've not swept the house. The cloth I soaked for you since yesterday, you have not washed it. Hey!
And what if I say she's not going to wash it?
Who are you? Excuse me. My friend, remove your mouth from this thing.
Namdi, please, don't escalate things for me. My sister, I'm not feeling fine. I'm sick. On my way to the stream, I felt very weak. I decided to rest a bit before Nandi came in. We were not doing anything. Yeah, before I
May Thunder fire you! May Thunder fire you there! Which sickness? You are very stupid for saying you are sick.
Neka,
eh?
You had it go to slap her even before me.
What will you do?
Eh?
What will you do?
What I can do?
Yes, what will you do?
Eh? I will just scatter you here.
You will scatter who?
I will beat you.
You will beat you. You are mad. You are a madman.
Hi.
Just come and touch me first. Cell is calling you. Cell is calling you.
Please, I'm used to this at home. Anything you do now will make things worse for me. Please. Just let her be. Yeah. Don't fight her.
Why are you begging him? What can he do? He can't do anything. He can't do anything. You can't do anything.
I was born in the cell.
You want to go?
I'm so sorry now. I'm so sorry.
What is it? What is it? What is it? Mercy?
Mama?
What happened to my daughter?
Mama, I'm so sorry.
You're sorry for what? Open your mouth and talk. What happened to you? What happened to you when you went to do an interview? Did you gangrene? So what happened?
When I went to the interview, I was crying. I saw myself and nothing to mechanic under the tree.
Offense number 1. Under the tree. Mechano, just wait. Under the tree. That is why you went to fetch water, Akoya. Go ahead.
Mama, they were making love.
Hey!
They were making love. Yes.
Mama, that is not true.
That is not true.
Yeah!
Mama, we were just discussing, we were just talking. Sister, please, for the sake of God, say the truth. Why are you lying? Why are you lying? Mama, this is so big, like this coming. My sister is wearing her pants. She's wearing her pants, Mama. And she was wearing, Mama, I did not even say anything. I just said, Mercy, what are you doing there? That's how her boyfriend, the mechanic, started beating me until I fainted, Mama. Mama, it was at that point, it was Popsy's ghost that woke me up. If not, I'd have been at the other side, Mama. Mama, you'd have lost your daughter.
Ijelu, so you brought in a thug to beat my daughter, Akoya?
Mama, that is not...
Mama, Mercy, so this is your plan? You want to kill my child?
No, Mama.
Mercy! Mama. From the stream to the tree to make love. Go on!
Mama, please, that is not true.
What is not true?
We were not
so you want to finish my daughter?
Mama, please.
You want to kill her?
Mama,
yeah,
please.
Mama, please.
Mama, please. Mama, please.
Yeah!
Mama, please. It's not true. We're not doing anything. Mama, please. Mama, please. She slapped me.
It's not what?
We were not doing anything. She slapped. We were not.
She did what? Tell me.
Mama,
so you have the plan to kill my daughter?
No, Mama, please.
You have the plan to kill my daughter?
No, Mama, please. Say the truth, sister, say the truth.
Hey! If you try it, if that is, hold it well. Hold it well. I'm not fear.
I don't hear you this way.
You will remain there for eternity. So you want to kill my daughter, Akoya?
Mama, please.
Mama, don't mind this stupid guy now. A mechanic boyfriend. Now I've missed my interview because of them.
Mama, please. I'm not feeling fine. Please.
Walk. Carry it up.
Mama, please. Mama, please.
Carry it up.
Did you know you should carry
it? Carry it now. Oh, sister. Ngwa. Carry it. Carry it.
Mama, we have to do something about
Carry it now. You don't want to carry it. I will stand up.
Mama, please.
Mama, let's do something about it.
Please, walk in there. Walk. I will buff you with this coconut, idiot. Mama, please. Carry it on your head.
Nnamdi! Stop there, Nnamdi! Thank God I met you on this road. But I'm letting like a Hugo that you are.
Wait, you are commanding me to stop. You're ordering me. Eh?
Nnamdi.
You!
Nnamdi, from my flawless instincts, the news that got to my channel this morning broadcasting sadly that you, Nnamdi Ofo, tried to rape my stepsister. if not for the intervention of my sister, who stopped you on the way, it had become a rape case. Nnamdi, you had the effrontery to beat my sister blue and black. Is it true or false? I want you to answer me.
You talk rubbish. Eh? You think it's to be blabbing, speaking useless grammar, like a jerrycan that is leaking? Eh? You're asking me a question. Come on. Eh?
Nnamdi, by the time I'm done with you, your nomenclature will metamorphose from Nnamdi Ofo to obituary Ofo. Nnamdi, I'll make sure that I disembark your mental states. I will twist your premolar and molar. Nnamdi, I will disfigure you. Nnamdi, I said, I will disfigure you.
Oh, wait. Am I the one you're setting blow for?
Nnamdi, I want to teach you what Michael Jackson, AJ Fury, Tyson Fury, Jet Li, James Bond. What did you do? Nnamdi, I want to tell you that next time you see my stepsister, you will not unleash mayhem on my sister again. You will never come close to her. Talk more of touching her. Anywhere you see my sister, you take 10 toes ahead of her. Do you hear me? Nnamdi, cross this line. Nnamdi, I said, cross this line. You stark illiterates. Let me teach you. Let me rearrange you. Nnamdi, let me disfigure you.
Are you high? Yeah? Are you high?
Nnamdi, I'm talking to you. You're going. Are you?
You just pushed me.
Hey! Nnamdi, you took me unawares. Nnamdi.
You will do what?
Nnamdi, you took me unawares. Nnamdi.
Don't go again, go now.
I'm the only son. Ah! Nnamdi. Unaware beating. Unaware smackdown.
So, you want to restructure my
Tyson Fury. Nnamdi. No.
I will disfigure both your incisor.
Hey.
I will change your decision now. Eh? Want me to kill you?
Nnamdi.
Eh?
Nnamdi, you are an illiterate. You can't even speak it very well. Ah! Nnamdi, I'm the only son. Nnamdi.
Am I an illiterate?
No.
Eh?
No.
What am I?
Graduate.
Mechanical
engineer. Nnamdi.
You know before.
Nnamdi. I'm the only son, Nnamdi. You took me unawares. Because hand is just like a mechanic man. Very strong. Hey. Nnamdi. See what this gear has cost. Mercy! Your mechanic hand. Very strong. Very, very strong. Do you know how much I spend on my skin? The kind of cream I rub? You bombastic elements. Illiterate mechanic.
Look at what they did to my son. Eh? Look at what they did to my son.
Baba.
Eh? Look at it. They want to kill my son for me. Eh? Agoya? Hey!
Look, I told you, Mama. I told you. See, when I'm done with this bastard, then she will know the difference between 6 and half a dozen.
Mama.
Eh?
Mama, that mechanic boy. Oh. He took me unawares, Mama. Mama, the blow came rather too early and unexpected. A unprofessional blow from a professional boxer. Eh?
My friend, will you shut your mouth? Will you shut it up before I slap you? A boy like you, put you in this condition and you still have your mouth to speak all this big grammar you speak out of key.
Mama, I did not.
Mechon, keep quiet. Don't talk rubbish. You could not even fight.
I did not eat this morning before attacking him. Eh?
You did not eat.
Mama, he took advantage of it.
Is that an excuse? Is that... Hey! Carry that block. Hold it. Raise it up. If it bends again, I will hit your head.
Mama, you shouting too much on my head.
I will slap you. Keep quiet. Hold it well. You are very stupid. You are very stupid. Will you shut up?
Mama!
Hold it well. If it first. If it first.
Mama, see film. Mama, she's acting.
Mercy, don't try me. Stand up from there and carry this block now.
Mama, press my body, leave.
Press what? I must stay there. Neka. Mercy, don't get me angry. Stand up from there now. Okay. No problem. Neka,
Ma?
go in and get me water.
Yes, ma.
Then come along with a cane.
Okay.
Quick!
Yes, ma.
I will see whether she will stand up or not. And you did not eat this morning before you went out. A boy like you!
He attacked me. He attacked me.
Babe, what are you doing?
I'm calling the DPO to send me some men so you can go arrest that bastard that has the guts, the temerity to lay hands on my woman, my property. Who the heck is this guy?
Baby, see, you needed to see what this boy did. Baby, hey, that boy dealt with me and also attacked my brother. You know my brother just returned from London. The car is currently driving. The village tout damaged it beyond repair. Baby, see, that boy dealt with me.
It's okay, baby. Just hold on. Hello, DPO. This is Mr. Tony Livingstone. I'm fine. How's work? Please, I'm having an emergency, and I would like you to send your boys over to help arrest the situation. Oh, yes. Very well done. Thank you. I'm waiting.
Baby, I can't wait to see that village out rot in jail. He has to.
Let me see how he can escape this. I want to know what's given the gods to lay his filthy hands on my woman. I'll make sure he rots in jail.
Exactly.
My father is no more, my mother is no more. Who will hear my cry? My heart is broken.
The DPO wants to see you at his office now.
The DPO wants to see me?
Yes.
Any problem?
When we get to the office, you can explain to him. Shall we go?
Neka.
I'll be back.
Next time, we won't be a woman.
Mama, good morning. Morning, kick you there. Thunder, fire you there. Money, blast your face. Mercy, thunder, scatter your face. Remove all your teeth and put them on the ground. Mama. What have you been doing at home since morning?
Mama, I've been doing house chores.
You have been doing house chores?
I've been washing and cleaning and doing everything.
Hey! Good God. You are a very big boat. No good people. You have started lying. You have started lying.
No, Mama.
You lie in the morning, you lie in the afternoon, you lie in the evening, you lie in the night. Mama. You are not the great grandmother of lies.
Mama, that is not true. I'm so sorry.
You are staying at home, you are just staying, you are not doing anything. Mama. You are watching television or what? I know I'm still talking. Nadia, hey, Mama, are you okay? I'm asking you. Are you okay?
Sorry, Mama.
Sorry for yourself. Sorry for yourself.
Mama?
Listen, Mama, what are you mamaing?
I'm hungry and I'm tired.
Do I look like your mother? You say, Mama, you're hungry. Do I look like your mother? Oh, you want to suck breast? No, come and suck breast. Come and suck breast. You're crying for your mother. You're crying for your mother, Abi. Do I look like your stupid mother? I'm asking you. Do I look like your stupid old dead mother?
No,
you're hungry.
I'm sorry, Mama.
Walk up.
I'm sorry, Mama.
Carry it. Fast.
Yes, Mama.
What are you waiting for? Good. Mercy, let me warn you. Let me warn you, Mercy, listen to me. Game on 10.
Yes, Mama.
If you sell my tomatoes on credit, marry the person. Don't come back here. You are looking at me. You are looking at me. I have told you. If you sell my tomatoes on credit, marry the person. Don't come back to my house. Did I kill your mother? Did I kill your useless mother?
No, Ma.
Idiot.
Sorry, Ma.
Sorry for yourself.
Bye, tomatoes!
Come here. You see? You are now hawking your breast. It is your breast you are now hawking. They are no longer seeing my tomatoes. They are seeing your breast.
No, Ma.
Okay?
No, Ma.
They are seeing your breast. No. That is why you don't sell my tomatoes. You sell only your breast.
No, Ma. Bye, tomatoes.
Oh my God, come to my head. My heart is broken with tears. My father is no more, my mother is no more. Who will hear my cry?
Mommy, the bike man is here. I don't want to be late for school.
Sorry. I have packaged your lunch, your Capri Sun and your favorite biscuits, okay? See, make sure you concentrate in class, okay? The bike man will bring you back home, alright?
Mom, I promise when I grow up, I want to be a barrister.
Oh, that is so sweet of you. Make sure, I provide for that dream to come true, okay? Let's go.
Baby.
Yes.
My dad called earlier on. He wanted to speak to you, but you weren't around.
Really?
Yeah, I felt really bad.
I'm sorry. Honestly, I would have loved to speak with him. I'm sorry about it, okay?
No problem. Maybe next time.
Sure.
My mom was also grateful for your speedy action towards that village house.
Not to worry, my love. I'll make sure he doesn't see the daylight. I really do not want to see him, else I would have gone to that station. If I see him, I'll kill him with my bare hands.
You're the best, baby.
But I know DPO is handling him. And you're the best too.
I love you so much.
I love you more. Okay? So tell me.
Where's the owner of the shop?
I mean, Ogan Nandi.
Yes, Nandi.
Won't they arrest him, yes?
Did what?
Won't they arrest him?
For what?
Spoiling car.
She arrested him.
Yes, sir.
Do you know the police station?
Yes. The one at RTV Junction.
One at RTV?
Yes, sir.
And he's been in the cell since yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Right, thank you.
Do you want to walk your car, sir?
Oh yes, my car had a little fault. But Nandi is my personal mechanic, not to worry. Thanks for the information.
My dear friend, these people nearly killed me that day. They nearly killed me.
Hey, you don't mean it. These people are very mean.
They are. They are mean indeed.
You see why I asked you to come and stay with me, but you refused. See, Mercy, these people will plan and kill you one day for me. They will kill you.
I will not die. I will not die. God forbid. See, I'm used to their torture. I'm used to it. And I'm not going to run away from my father's compound. I will not do it. No way. Hey, that reminds me. I heard your sister attacked you the other day at the shop.
You've seen it though. If you're gonna lend them, you've seen how.
But why?
Because the prince asked me to come and work in the palace.
The prince? I'm so happy for you.
I'm more than happy, my sister. Work in the palace.
But who will you now leave your shop for?
My mother, of course.
Oh.
Yeah, she will work here while I work in the palace. She'll be my shop.
I'm so happy for you.
I want to really teach Linda, my sister, a very big lesson so that next time she'll learn how to mind her own business.
You have to. You have to. I'm so happy for you, my dear. I'm so happy. Now I'm going to miss my closest friend.
I'll miss you. See, don't worry, I'll be coming from time to time.
You promise? I'm so happy for you. Let me go before Mama start looking for me. You know how she can be. Take care of yourself. Alright. Later, Bye, tomatoes!
Listen, I need to advise you. You don't really need to.
See, let me tell you. You know this girl? This girl is just a local girl that goes around, sleeps with men, collects their money. I'm telling you, just a local girl. The police, they were just doing as if this is a big issue.
And it's not right for you to beat up a woman.
See, I didn't beat her. I just gave her slide down. Scatter her makeup, nothing.
You gave her slide down. As Hokogan or John Cena. I don't get it. See, it's totally wrong to beat a woman. A man shouldn't do that to a woman.
I know it's totally wrong to beat a woman, and it's very inhuman to torture a girl. See, this girl and the mother, they have been torturing this girl, the stepsister. I don't understand. Now, this girl has gone to fetch water, the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. She's very tired. And with empty stomach. Check it now, it's inhuman.
And you're the good Samaritan. Are you sure this girl is not your girlfriend? Because you've talked about her a whole lot.
Girlfriend how? See, if the girl was my girlfriend, I would tell you. She's not my girlfriend though. She's not. I just like her naturally.
Already.
See, I want to even convince. If I can see a way to convince you to marry that girl, that girl is a good woman. She will make a good wife to you. At least take her out from that family.
Really?
Yes, I'm telling you.
And I'm begging you now not to dare convince me, because I don't need it. I have Nikki and I'm comfortable with that. Thank you. Can you just...
Every time, Nikki, you and this your Nikita.
Monday, come check my car.
Yeah, mind that girl. Go like how? Get inside. John Bosco. John Bosco.
How much is this?
No, it's 15,700 naira.
So where is the 300 naira that will make it 16,000 naira?
No, I used 200 to pay for market fee and 100 naira for fast food today, ma.
You are an idiot.
Sorry, ma.
Mercy, you are very stupid. Do you think I'm a fool? You used 300 naira, you gave this some money. Did I ask you to do that? Do you think I will buy that story? You are lying. Are you sure you are not hiding some of my money?
I'm not hiding any money.
Sit down. Sit down, are you mad? Sit down. Nonsense. You used 300 naira. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Give me my money.
No, I'm not.
Mommy, please. I'm not hiding any money. You did not hide any money.
Oh, ma.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth!
Mama.
What is it?
Mama, are you by any way related to the Nigerian police force? Why are you doing stop and search in our house? Traveling your fingers on secret poops?
You must be very stupid. Come and smell her mouth.
Mama, that's by the way. Massey, kindly wash off the dirt in my clothes. I need it to be very clean, neat, and appealing to the eyes. Massey, apply a maximum of H2O. Let it be soft water and not hard water. Do you comprehend? Ah, the moron is confused. Massey, go and wash my clothes. Wash it very clean.
Okay, sir.
Quick.
Okay, sir.
I hope you know I have a full basin of wrapper at that backyard. So when you get there, wash all of them and wash them very clean. And let me remind you, you know you still have to go and fetch water. You fetch firewood. You will sweep this compound and you will prepare meal for everybody to eat in the evening. Your sister me here. Sit up, huh? If you like, don't do it. Waste the whole of your time. Don't finish it. I will do it. You go to the market and sell. You keep some in your bank. You eat some and bring 1/4 and come and give me here. Nonsense. You are giving my money out to people in the market. You are distributing my money. As what? Give away. Okay? Give away from one point to the other. Am I a market master? Am I a market master? I'm not fair.
Mama, it is not called that. It's buoyant enough. Like buoyant enough. Do you have enough money? Do you understand? Don't speak jargons in my presence. Don't try that again. Don't.
Chima, Mama, I don't blame you. You have eaten enough akpu, you can open your mouth and talk rubbish to me. It's not your fault.
Mama, I eat that no more. I don't eat that white shit again.
You don't eat that white shit?
I don't eat anymore.
You don't eat anymore?
Yes, Mama.
Don't go near my pot of soup. I'm warning you.
Your pot is empty already.
You said what?
It's empty.
I will use you to prepare the next soup, don't worry. I'm not fear, you are mad. Let me go down and don't see my pot of soup. This idiot will not finish with my clothes. Will not fetch water, will not do anything. I'm waiting for you here. Finish that thing and come back here. Nonsense.
Oh my darling, I'm trying to get ready and beautiful for you. Oh, just name it, baby. Whatever it is you want, just name it and I'll do it.
Oh yes, my business partners are coming to the house tomorrow. So I'd like you to come over and cook for us.
You want me to come and cook for you?
That's if you don't have anything doing.
Baby, no. The thing is that my weekend is very tight, baby. See, you remember I told you that my brother is going to the United States and I'll follow him to the airport. Yes, baby. No, baby, see, I would have done it for you, but this weekend is so tight. Tomorrow, I'll be in school all day. As in, I'll be in school till 9 p.m. Babe, why don't you just take them out or something? You know I will always do anything for my baby. Yes, baby. Yes. Just buy it. I love you, baby. Thank you.
It's okay. Alright.
Alright. Why were you listening to my call? Why? The next time I make call in this house and you see, anytime you see me on the phone, keep your ears on the ground. Do you understand? Put your leg on your ears. The next time I make one and I see you around, you will see what will happen to you. Stupid girl, idiot. Nonsense.
John Bosco. Okay. Like we buy another one. This one. Is it not working again? Oh. This one is a gunner.
Bye, tomatoes.
Who do we have here?
Thank you.
How are you now? So how is market?
Market is fine. How are you doing?
I'm not doing anything. Oh. The country is hard. See, these days, cars have refused to spoil. No one waits for except the owner will prefer to be using public transport. Everything is hard. I'm telling you, I'm tired of this country. I want to leave this country and go to my country.
Namdi, I came to say thank you for the other day. I really appreciate what you did. May God bless you.
That one is nothing. It's nothing. But wait, you mean you came all the way from Afuruku Market to this place to say just thank you?
Yes.
What are our friends for? Please, how do you sell this tomato? I want to see if I can make stew this night.
So you can cook?
Only me is a cooker. My mother taught me how to cook very well. That woman, she can cook.
Yeah, that is nice.
Yes. Is that how much?
Okay, I have the one of 200 and 400 naira.
400.
Pepper 50 naira.
All of them is how much?
All of them?
Yes. Well, at least you go and rest now. You've been suffering.
I have so 400.
Calculate everything. Let me think, so that you go and rest.
Okay, 400. Everything will be 1,200.
1,200. John Bosco. Okay. Inside that tire there is that money that Philip brought.
Yes, ma'am. I mean I should put everything.
Put buy everything, package everything.
God will bless you.
What our friends for?
God will bless you. God will bless you. God will bless you.
God will bless you. This night stew, vegetable stew.
Bless you, sir. Thank you.
No problem. Okay.
Thank you.
This night. Stew. So you can just keep the change.
I should keep the change?
No need now. You deserve everything.
Thank you.
Everything good, you deserve it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. May God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Baby.
Yes, I know.
My friends are coming to the house tomorrow. Since you're passing the night, I want you to prepare something for us and come back and eat. Alright?
No, baby. I'm having running stomach. I don't think I'll have the strength to cook.
What do you mean? Why this running stomach all of a sudden? Wait a minute. Are you afraid of cooking or something?
No, hell no. I'm not afraid of cooking. I can cook.
So?
Okay. I'll make something special for you and your friends tomorrow.
No, you're talking.
But first, I want pizza and a bucket of ice cream.
Okay. No problems. I'll send a boot to do that before I leave too.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I think we need to go inside and sleep. I'm tired.
Seriously, this is amazing.
Yeah, alright.
Amazing.
Thank you. Don't mind Jacob. He will not invite anyone to his house. Not even for a cup of water.
Oh, come on, guy. Not again.
Come on, leave him. He's scared of us eating his wife rubbish.
Okay, alright, guys. I admit that my wife is not a good cook. Yes.
Okay.
Cool. And I still regret why the marriage happened very fast. You see, during our courtship, everything was going clean, well, and all that. Yeah. Do you get it? Whenever I come back home, I see good food on my dining. I mean, good meal. Well, okay, not until when I got married to her. She presented herself like a good woman, good behavior. Do you know what? She goes to the eatery every day. With the money I give her to use in preparing meals, go to the eatery, buy enough food. Comes back and set it on my dining table.
Oh, but that woman, eh?
You know what? All kinds of eatery around the town. She patronized them, but it's all good.
So, like, what did you do to her?
What else? What I did was to send her back to her mother, so she can learn how to cook.
I mean, but that lady has actually played you 10/0.
Oh, come on.
Anyway, the wife is a good patronage.
So,
the fast food must have been enjoying her.
Let me tell you something, guys. It is my story I just told you. You never can tell. What do you think?
Yeah, of course. Speaking of a tree, this food has a taste of one of those trees I have.
I was silly. Like, have you got nuts or something?
Oh,
why you listen? Let me tell you. My woman made this food, and she's a good cook at that. Beautiful.
Okay, no doubt.
But
I think you're saying the right thing, though. Because I think the chickens are well.
Here we go, guys.
That's our wifey to do. Very good food, you know. Delicious meal, huh? I swear.
Now, I must tell you, your food is so delicious. And guess what? I'll be here all the time, every night, to eat the smear.
Yeah? As husband.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
I guess you don't know your name.
Tell her.
You don't know your mother in the village, right? Now let me tell you. She's my woman, my queen.
Okay.
My gold and my investment. So go look for your name in the village.
Alright, my bad.
One day eat free food.
And what's her name again?
Oh, that's none of your business. Her name is Nikki baby.
Name what?
Nikki baby.
Baby, come on.
Nikki baby. Thank you for
come
that.
Come and have a piece of chicken.
Eat chicken, dog.
I told them that my wife is my woman is a good cook. Wonderful one at that.
A very good one at that. Uh-oh.
Oh, this way. Frank may be right about the taste of Nikki's food. I have once tasted such delicacy on taste. Wait a minute. Does she not know how to cook? Or should I confront her? No. But she told me she cooks very well. And the grandmother taught her how to cook when she visited them in London. I don't want to be disappointed like Jacob and his wife who goes to the eatery to buy food all the time. No, Nikki can't do such a thing. Maybe it's a coincidence or something that our food tastes exactly like that of the fast food Frank is talking about.
Mama, see, as I was telling you, I cooked for him and his friends. He ate and ate to their satisfaction. Hey, Mama, do you know they even gave me money? Yes, Mama. See, Mama, I used to see your daughter in the kitchen. I was pounding and blending the vegetable leaves.
You see?
Yes, Mama.
You see again?
I was pounding and blending the vegetable leaves.
She's even stretching her hand. You took vegetable, put them inside the blender, and you blend it. Or you put vegetable on the tray and you slice it. Which one did you do?
And Mama, see, I blended the vegetable.
Hey! And one Mama. Mama?
Mama said you don't believe me.
Believe you for what? That you will blend the ugu. What did you use it to cook? What kind of soup is that?
Mama, food is ready now. Alright, let's go eat.
You are who? You are who?
Me and you now.
That place that you were coming from, that you blend ugu to cook, did you not eat there?
Mama, see, they finished. See, those his friends there. They are hungry like they finished the whole food.
Really? And they gave you money?
Yes, sir.
And cover that soup. Go and cover the soup, ma. Are you okay? Nonsense.
Mama, let's go and eat. That's why you feel like this.
You are who? Go back to that place. That place that you use ugu, grinded ugu to cook food and they gave you money. Go meet them.
Mama,
now finish that soup.
It's blended, not grinded, blended. I cooked for them and they still gave me money.
You are stretching your eye. Sit down there, let's wait. This one is not meant for you. This one we used to slice the ugu for cook this one. That one that you blend, you go and meet them there.
Mama, now let's go and eat now. Let's go and eat.
All right.
Excuse me. I overheard you telling your mother that you grounded or blended vegetable leaves.
And how does that concern you? Or closer?
One will begin to wonder the kind of food we prepared with blended or grounded vegetable. Is it Hausa or Yoruba food? What I'm trying to say is, I can teach you how to cook if you don't mind.
Imagine you, dirty you. You want to teach me how to cook? Come, is it because we managed to eat the poison we cook in this house? See, the only reason we are eating it is because we know you can't kill any of us. What's all this? For food, professional, well done. Chef, Mercy, well done. But now you get out of my side. See, next time, don't put your mouth into it. I've warned you in this house. Don't interfere with anything that concerns me.
No problem, I've heard you. But I just pray that one day you will not come asking for help. I'm sorry for dabbling into your affairs. Please forgive me.
Get out! Yes. You want to teach me how to cook?
I don't know what she's waiting for. Sis, she will not come now and go to the house to prepare dinner for us to eat.
Me too, because I'm very hungry. This thing I'm eating, so it's not going to be enough for me. Mama, I've been with you since in market. You cannot buy me rice.
Finish this one first. Finish this one. When you finish this one, when she comes, she can buy you rice.
Oh my God, come to my head. My heart is broken.
Will you shut your mouth up? Shut it up! What is good in the afternoon? Where are you coming from? And why are you having those tomatoes still on your tray?
Mama, the market is so slow.
The market is slow. The market is slow. Where have you been?
As you can see, it's raining.
It's raining. Where have you been before the rain started? You went to meet those boys, or where? Start frolicking with those boys while they are touching your breasts and you are doing whatever you like there.
Mama, I didn't go to meet any boy. I was walking around selling tomatoes, Mama.
So you are calling my mother a liar? Eh? So my mother is not a liar?
Mama.
Let me have the money. Now take. Go and buy plasmatic rice. Or what is the name?
Basmati rice.
Good. Go and buy basmati rice, man.
Mommy, it's 1,500 though.
Eh? 1,000 guinea?
500.
Okay, you want to finish all the money now? One, take.
Mama, she'll buy water, cold one.
Well?
What did you call it? Basmati rice. Buy me basmati rice. Don't go and buy me rubbish. Basmati rice.
And make sure you come back anyhow. You are coming back. You know you are going to the house to prepare food for dinner. You are looking at me.
Hurry, so I don't lose my appetite.
If you like cross to go and meet those boys and sleep there with them, don't come back and you see what I will do to you when you come back. I know if you are crossing your leg. You are eating basmati rice. You ate one basmati. I will slap you.
I love you, Mommy.
How much?
200. Thank you. Come back next time. Look.
Mama, where's that food now? Hey, Mama, my baby's calling me. Please don't say anything. Let me pick this important call.
Hello, babe. How are you?
Hello, baby.
Where you are is noisy. Are you in the marketplace or something?
No, baby, I'm not in the market though. No, I just even finished my lecture. I'm at the campus. Oh, whenever I want to buy something, I go to the mall to buy whatever it is I need.
I want you to come over to the house this weekend. Honestly, I've missed you. Mama, I'm hearing buy something. What are you buying?
No, baby, oh, it's all these hawkers, they come to the school to sell some groceries. So probably they are the ones you are hearing. Okay, baby. Baby, let me submit my assignment before my lecturer leaves you. I'll call you back. Yeah, I love you.
All right, so.
Yeah. Neka, you are the great grandmother of life. Where did you say you were?
Mama,
Hey! They spoke English. Where were you? Where were you?
Mama, see, Mama, forget all that one. Where is Mamsi now?
Hey, what? Neka, you turned the market into the university just now from your mouth.
Mama, we are all students of the universe.
No,
so this
I don't
is
blame you. Somebody brought this thing. What do you call it? Phone.
Yeah.
And they started blessing you people with life. That's why you're telling you were blinking your eye from left to right. What is called mat? Is it the type of mat you see?
It's the supermarket.
Chang, you keep quiet. I'll break my chair.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm off here. I know the tomatoes very well. You will lie in the morning, you will lie in the afternoon, you will lie in the evening. Only you. Only you. When they break, you will lie. As you are waking up from bed, you are lying. They are taking your bath, you are lying. They are in the toilet, you are lying. They are even arranging these tomatoes, you are lying.
Mama, there is 4 that is there now. So where did I lie now?
Namdi, the mechanic boy. Do you remember me? Namdi, there's a saying that goes this way. He who fights and takes to his heels lives to fight another day alive. Namdi, I am here for a return match of what happened that day.
Ha! Look at how some people will be walking around looking for trouble. Eh? Trouble they sleep. Yanga they wake up. What did they find? No be wahala. Chema.
Namdi, that is my nomenclature in abbreviation. Call me Chimobim. Namdi, today I came prepared. I've eaten very well. So we are going to have a return match. That will be like a Royal Rumble. Namdi, I want to beat you today. Beat you that you forget how to repair broken tires.
Jeez, just calm down. Oh, Fitris, you want to fight me again?
Namdi, I want to beat you.
You want to beat me?
Namdi,
I've seen how prepared you are. You've eaten very well today. You see, okay? Sleep well. Continue. Preparation.
Why is the world so null and void? Why is everywhere so dark? I can't see anything. Am I in another world? What is wrong with me? I'm on the ground.
oh my head! That's so painful. Get me pillow! Mercy! Just need to sleep.
Baby, that was good.
At least I can rest now.
Eh? Rest where?
Please.
What are you resting? So let's do one more round.
Let's do what?
One more round.
What is wrong with you? Please don't go there. I am tired. I no longer have any strength for any round again. We just finished the 4th round and you're saying we should go one more round. Please go and prepare me something to eat.
Let's do one more round first.
Is something wrong with you? Go and get me something to eat.
Just so you are lazy.
Fine. Yes, I agree. I'm lazy. Go and prepare something for me to eat. You want to kill me?
What are you doing here?
Ma, calm down. You know, I've been trying to suppress this chemistry that has subdued me into wanting to test the Pacific Ocean in you. Ma, it overwhelms my imagination that I have this chemistry in me that I want to express with you. Ma, I am emotionally attached. Emotionally attached to you.
What chemistry are you talking about? Chima, what are you saying? I don't get.
Come down, let me show you. You just have to calm down. Let me show you what I mean. Calm down. Just have a 360 rotate. Turn, let me show you.
Turn, I don't understand, Chima. What is going on? Chima, stop it! What is wrong with you?
Chima, calm down. You're a grown woman. You should understand what I mean.
Chima, are you normal? Are you alright?
Ma, this is not fair.
Chima, are you alright?
Just calm down so that you'll not hear our voices.
Are you okay? What has come over you, Chima?
Chima, you have to calm down.
You want to kill my only brother, Abi? You want to kill my brother, you witch! You want to kill him for us? Witch!
I swear, God is my witness. He tried to rape me. He tried to rape me.
What did you say? Tried to do what?
Mama, he tried.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut it up! Shut it up! Shut it up! Shut it up! He tried to do what? Nonsense! Open your mouth! He tried to rape you!
Mama! Chima! Mama!
You dropped this thing.
Chima, you have killed somebody.
You have killed somebody.
Maka, wake up! Wake up!
Mercy!
Chima, what have you done?
Mercy! Mercy!
Oh, Chima, what have you done?
Mercy! Stand up, oh. I know what you can do. Just get up. Mercy! You are pretending. Wake up. I have a lot of tomatoes to sell. I'm not ready for all this one. Hey, shut up your mouth! Hey, don't shout anything. What you say? My friend, leave me. Tell her to stand up. She will wake up. I have tomatoes to sell. Let her wake up. Oh. Mercy is pretending. Let her wake up. Let her wake up.
Oh my God.
Young lady, I'm so sorry. You weren't looking. I would have run over you.
I'm so sorry, sir. So sorry, sir. It's all my fault. Please forgive me. Forgive me, sir. Please. I'm so sorry, sir.
Why are you carrying a trail of tomato with a bandage on your head? You're even bleeding. Meaning you're not properly taken care of. It's okay. How much is the tomato? Let me pay you off so you go home and rest.
So don't worry. Don't worry. Sir.
In 6, just a minute. That's 10,000. Just go home and rest. Make sure you take care of the bleeding head. Take it from me. Please. Take it.
Thank you, sir.
Just go home and take care of yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Can you at least tell me what happened to you? Alright. I understand. So what's your name?
My name is
Masinachi. It's a beautiful name from a beautiful girl. My name is Tony. Right? So do you mind if I drop you off? When you come in, let me drop you off.
No, sir, please.
I insist. Please, I insist.
Sir, you have done enough, please.
I insist, please. Let me drop you off.
Sir, please. My stepmother and her daughter will keep me alive if you do, please.
Stepmother?
Yes, sir.
I guess you're the one that did this to you, right? Why are people so wicked?
I have to go, sir. I have to go.
Okay, you can at least take care of yourself, okay?
Take good care of yourself, please. Why are people so wicked?
Baby, you don't have to blame me for all of this. We have a lot of domestic staff. I don't get to do anything. I blame my parents for all of this. I'm sorry.
Okay. Now let me ask you this question. The food you served my friends and I, who prepared it?
I did, of course. I cooked the food. Was it not delicious?
Okay. My mother is coming over the weekend and I've sent you 20,000 to go to the market, buy some foodstuffs so you can make us something good to eat. Is that understood?
Baby, I have assignment to submit this weekend.
What is wrong with you? You guys are in holidays. What's this excuse about cooking food all the time? Now listen to me. I have sent you money. Go to the market and get the food stuff. Excuse me.
Baby. Nika. I've entered one chance, so, okay?
I am sick and tired of this nonsense. Honestly, I can't take it. What has gone wrong with you? Yesterday you left the bedroom all because I refused to give you another round of sex. You can't even tidy up the sitting room. You can't even tidy up the house, not even the kitchen. All you're concerned about is sex, sex, sex. For crying out loud, are you a sex machine?
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry.
You're sorry?
Yes.
That's all you could say. You're sorry. That's all you can say.
Baby, why don't we get a maid?
Can you hear yourself talk? Get a maid.
Yes. You have the money. And you can't really blame me. Back in the States, I don't used to do all of these things.
Excuse me.
Baby, what about the money you promised me? I'll send back to you when my dad credits me. Baby.
all the house chores.
Okay. Are you done with the cleaning?
Yes.
Are you done with the cooking?
I'm done with everything.
You are done?
Yes.
Okay. That's fine. How about the toilet? Are they spotless and sparkling? Because I don't want my man coming to nag when he returns.
Everything is fine.
It's alright. You can go now. Yes, take this for transport.
Sister? 15 naira. Sister, we spent over 500 naira to come to this place. How can 15 naira take me back to the shop?
Hey, is it because I gave you transport fare? You that you can trek for Africa. I gave you transport fare, you are not even happy. Eh? Take this money and go to the shop. Go to the shop, not to the house. Remember, you still have to sell tomatoes for Mama. Start going.
Sister, it's raining heavily outside. How do you expect me to trek under the rain? Besides, it's going to take me hours to get to the shop if I trek. Sister, you have this money. Please, I beg you, give me back. Give me transport, sister, please.
Eh? So because I brought you to my man's house to enjoy AC and watch TV, you want to... Oh yeah, sit down. Take a chair, sit down. No, sit down. You must be very stupid. Since you don't want to go, sit down. My friend, will you get out of here?
You have no eating. With all the work I did, you didn't even give me food to eat. How do you expect me to trek on an empty stomach? Sister, please, I beg you.
I don't want to repeat myself. Leave. Start going. Are you still here?
Sister, this is not fair.
My friend, you get out. This is not fair. This is not fair. Cheers to the good life. Hey, I'm gonna come on short.
And I come back. Good afternoon, kill you there. Good afternoon, kill you there, Mercy. Good afternoon, kill you. Thunder, scatter your face. Remove everything you caught it in that mouth that you have. Anofia, Newu, idiot, goat, animal, Anompama. Nahiala, are you mad? I'm asking you. So you sat down in the house this morning as madam of the house or what? I'm asking you.
Way back to the shop. I trekked.
Shut your dirty mouth! Shut it up! Shut it up! Close it! Shut it! Mother of all lies! Anofia, you trek from where? They gave you money to enter back. You decided to trek because you want to display this baby fact. You want to show it to them. I said, will you shut up? I'm talking. I'm not finished talking. Are you mad? Are you mad? I'm asking you. They are coming, you are shaking your waist. You are shaking your waist like an alligator that came out of the river unexpectedly. If you open your mouth to talk when I'm talking, I will kill you. No problem. Mercy, no problem. A time is coming. A time is coming. I will deal with you with my own hands. Oh yeah, Ngwa. Come and carry it. Come and carry it. You are mad. Rain what? Rain what? You are mad. It's raining, but you can eat. Anofia, carry everything. Ngwa, carry it. Idiot. Don't let me come down from here. If you carry it. I will finish you. I will finish you. I will finish you. Before I can't do. Anofia, take the rubber. Idiot. No. Not only buy tomatoes. Anofia. You will not go to the market. You go and sell tomatoes. You will remain there. You don't want to come back. Go and cook. You will cook. Just remember that you will go and cook again. And you will sweep the whole compound. If you come back here and meet me, I will remove the teeth. You are sampling breast. You carry breast. You will have carried the tray of the tomatoes on top of your breast. You are walking and then you are sampling your buttocks. You are giving it to the men. They are looking at it. And no fear. Idiot.
Baby.
Yes, my love.
You surprised me. I mean, I'm still shocked. The house, everywhere is clean. The sitting room, the kitchen. Wow. You sure you're the one that did all this?
Come on. Of course I did it. See, baby, I want to always make you happy, and I've changed. I've changed from my old ways.
Honestly, you need to keep it up, okay? I don't want you to change from that, right?
Yes, sir.
Wait. This is for you. This is for a job well done. Woo! This is to encourage you to do more.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Make sure you keep it up. Okay?
Of course. If this will be bringing me money all the time, I will, baby.
Where's Mercy? Mercy! Mercy! Come. Come on, back. Mercy! Mercy! Masonyori! Anene! Mercy, I don't want to sweat. I don't want to fight. I don't want to quarrel. You see that thing called money that I kept inside my bag that you took? Put it inside.
Mama, I did not take your money. Have you asked Chima?
Chima? Master, how dare you mention my name? Or you try to think, imagine, or phantom it? Master.
Yeah, wait. Why are you saying I should ask Chima?
Mama, I saw him with your bag last night while you were asleep. Maybe he...
Eh? Maybe what? How dare you? Eh? Are you mad?
Give her another one. Beat her very well. Mama. Beat her until she brings out my money.
What impetus? Look at these unscrupulous elements. Female bandits. Hoodlum. Talk. A nitwit like you. Scalawag. Moron. Graduated thief with second class upper. How dare you open this your muka cavity? Your mouth. This your disjointed muka cavity to lay false accusation against me.
Chima, enough of that grammar. Because as I'm here, I'm angry. You see all those grammar you're pouring out, it does not concern my money. So let me handle this issue myself. Let me handle this myself. Don't play with me. Don't play with me, Alene. Don't play with me. I want to see the money inside my purse. Inside my purse, Mercy. Ibiakwa, you have come again. You have come again, Akoya. You are crying. You are crying. My money. Give me my money. Oh, so. Put it here. Back inside my purse, Mercy. Don't try me, oh. Mercy, don't try me. Because if you try me, I will sell you. Now listen. If I don't see this money, you will not be eating in this house again. Did you hear me? You will not eat in this house again. No food for you until I see my money. Now, Mercy, you give me my money. Give me my money, oh.
Go and get the money.
I'm still waiting for... Go where? Where are you going to? Come and give me my money, oh. Come and give me my money, this thief. Onyori. You are walking away. Come and don't mommy. Come and bring my money. Oh. Come and bring. No, you will not eat in this house. Just wait. You have not seen anything. You people should find my money for me. Give me my money. Give me my money or give me my money.
Mama, you are shouting to me.
Yes, why won't I shout? Did I steal the money? It's my money. Then she should come fast. She should come fast. I'm waiting. My money is getting lost. I cannot wait for it. Hey, don't tell me she's coming. Don't tell me she's coming. I don't want you to zip this ordinary post. I will open it like this. I'm not shouting too much. Mercy, bring my money, oh.
Mama, go.
Mercy, go and bring it. Go and bring it, oh. I'm not joking.
Oh my God, come to my head. My heart is broken with tears. My father is no more, my mother is no more. Who will hear my cry? My heart is broken. Oh, gatona kwao chimo. Mwa dibe wa. Fichanyagi akwa kosi adeye. Mwa dibe wa. Ebesina akwa kosi adeye.
Sister.
Yes?
I'm done with ironing the clothes and arranging everything.
Okay. What about the bed sheets and the duvet? Have you arranged it on the bed?
Yes, I have.
Okay, you can go now.
Sister, what about transport fare? Can I have transport, please?
Excuse me. Did we discuss about transport fare?
No.
Alright, very good. You can now go. And try not to wake me up. Please leave before my man sees you. You are still here?
The other time. A girl selling tomato.
No, sir, I can't remember. It's not me.
You were the girl with a bandage on her head that I almost knocked down the other day at the road close to...
No, sir, it's not me. It's not me. I'm not the one, sir. I'm not the one.
Remember the day I almost knocked you down?
Oh, I remember. You are that brother that gave me 10,000 naira the day my tomato fell. I remember now. Thank you, sir.
So what are you doing around here? Do you stay around?
No, sir. I came to do house shows for my stepsister.
Oh, see. Stepsister?
Yes, sir.
Does she stay around here? I'd like to meet her.
She comes to her boyfriend's apartment at times.
Okay. So, when will I see you again?
I don't know, sir. I have to be on my way now, sir. Thank you for the other day once again. God bless you, sir. Thank you. No, sir.
Thank God you're okay now. You mean you washed my clothes again?
Of course, baby.
Dumbfounded. Thank you so very much. Honestly, you got sense. I love you so very much.
And I love you too.
1 minute. Let me show you my appreciation.
Okay.
Come in. You deserve it.
Just for washing.
Of course you deserve it.
Baby, what do you want me to do?
Anything.
Okay, you know what? To make this equation balance, I've got a little surprise for you.
So what is it?
You're gonna have to follow me. You follow me, and you know about the surprise.
Very well then.
Let's go.
You lead the way.
You, and I need to make it equal for you.
Mercy, what are you doing here? Do you know her? Of course, she's a tomato seller. But I'm shocked to see her in my house, even washing my car. What's going on? What are you doing here? Abu!
I'm washing the car.
Come here. Who employed you? What's going on? What is this woman doing in my house?
Oga na Nikki baby.
Nikki what?
Na Nikki baby. Oga see Emma tell you. If you come out, she go come, she go bring this poor girl come here. Now she go wash the car, now she go cook the food, wash the plate, do everything. Oga see, she dey even wash the gate, even fence sef, she go even wash am. Oga, this girl dey suffer for here, and if she finish am, she no go even give am money, she go slap am, beat am on top. Tomorrow she go still bring and come back again, Oga. Hey,
who be this Nikki baby? Eh? She's my girlfriend. Now the Nikki baby, your girlfriend wey dey tell me before. Yes. See, this is the girl that I've been telling you about. The girl that I've been convincing you to marry. The one I told you that the stepsister and the stepmother have been maltreating. This is the girl, Masnachi.
I hear you say the stepmother.
The stepmother, yes, and the stepsister.
Then I think you're getting it all wrong. Because the Nikki I know, the parent stays in London.
London?
She told me her parents is in London.
Who is Nikki, baby?
It's Neka.
Neka! Hey! My friend has been duped. They don't scam you when they're able to go back again. Neka, the Nikki baby, your Nikki baby, the Neka that I know. The mother sells tomatoes. Now, Afuku. This is the stepsister. And the father died years ago. You're my friend, I cannot. Oh, hey, see him. See him. There's no Neka.
Baby, what's going on here? Yes, who are these people? Or what are they doing here?
Thunder will fire you if you try to act anything in film for you. If you try act film now, I will act cinema for you. So you don't know me, you don't know us. Now you be Nikki baby. Hey!
Can you in one sentence tell me who's Mercy to you?
Answer the question now. Now or pro now. Who is Mercy to you?
I order you to speak. Who is Mercy to you?
Answer! Why are you pointing like Renelan?
Mercy is my stepsister.
Or your step cousin. Very close to your nephew.
And what's she doing in my house?
Is alright?
Baby, see, I brought her to assist me with the house chores and help me cook as well.
Mercy, have you been the one doing the chores in my house?
Answer, don't be afraid.
Yes, sir.
You see?
So this is true. Now can you explain to me how you prepared the meal you served my friend and I last time?
Oh, Mercy.
Baby.
Oh, see, baby.
I bought it.
Bought it?
Liar. Latent liar. You bought what? My man, she did not buy anything. Mercy Nachi cooked the food.
All thanks to God. All thanks to God that I met my friend on my way home, who decided to join me to know my house for the very first time. I wouldn't have known you were a snake under the green grass. I wouldn't have known that I've been living with a cheap liar. Cheap. I went as far as to get a ring to engage you tonight. And this is all I get.
Saha, it's finished.
I would have been duped, right? I am disappointed at you.
Baby.
Baby, you know it.
Take your filthy fingers off.
Baby, I'm sorry.
See, please, my guy. This one a failure. Eh? This is the girl that I've been convincing you to marry. Please, just leave this one. Engage this one. Now or pro now. Engage her.
Baby, don't answer him. Don't listen to him.
If I slap your left leg in your ear now, you understand. Engage her, I'm here. Come on.
Will you marry me?
Yes, baby, I will.
The question is not for you. It wasn't for you. Thunder will fire you with your ears.
One more word from you. I will not just throw you out of my compound. Nor run over you with my car.
Ozubo, run over. Propose.
Please, will you marry me?
Accept. Mama, accept. Accept. No, accept. I'm here. If I go get away, you. Come on, get away.
Baby, please, baby.
I'm here, Mama. Accept. Don't tear his clothes.
Be my wife.
Accept. I'm here.
And I promise I will make life comfortable for you.
Hey, baby.
Engage. Accept. I'm here. Master Chief. Accept. I'm here. Nothing will happen.
Please,
Master Chief. Accept. Master Chief. Master Chief. Master Chief. Get the hell out. Take
Take your hands off me. Please. No, listen. I don't want to see you in my house ever.
My guy, let's
Now go and pack your things and leave my house.
Let's leave here. Let's leave here.
I do not want to come back and see you in my house.
Let's leave here. I'm engaged to you. One that.
Baby. Go.
Calm down. Do this because of me, eh? For my sake, please. Please.
Masinachi, please marry me. I beg you in the name of God. I fell in love with the woman that prepares my meal. The woman that washes my clothes and cleans my house. Little do I know it was you. Masinachi, please. I beg you, please marry me. Marry me and I promise to make life comfortable for you. Let me be the brother you have, the husband and your relative, the one to call upon. Please, be my wife.
Mama, please. Eh? Mama, please, for my sake. Please.
Just say yes.
Just say yes.
Yes! Yes! Where's London? London, go! London, Nikita! Allow, go! My man! Happy married life. HML. Mama! Oh, happy married life. Hi.
Mama.
Hey. Enough of this your drama. Enough of stop it because I've had enough. And I have had it up to here. Stop it, please. Okay, Lizzie. Your brother with his friends took a minor to the bush and gang raped her. Yes. As I'm talking to you now, the police have arrested him and he has been taken to the headquarters. So where do I get money to go and start looking for him? Don't know. Where do I get money to start? Go and look for that idiot.
Mama, it's Kama.
It's what?
Mama, Kama. Mama, Kama. It's Kama.
Kama.
What even we've done in this life? You're coming back. You're coming back to get us. Me and you, Mama.
You alone.
Mama, see, my own is worse.
What happened? Speak now, what happened?
Mama, speak. Mama. My boyfriend. My boyfriend. My boyfriend proposed.
You want to open your mouth and talk or not?
My boyfriend proposed to Mercy, Mama.
Mercy?
Yes, Mama.
Which Mercy is that?
Mercy, you know. Oh, Mercy. Mama, all you see is now. Mama, do you know Namdi the mechanic? Do you know Namdi the mechanic?
Yes.
Namdi. found my boyfriend. No, it's not my own boyfriend. Then she married Namsi. They went to the house and saw Mercy washing the car. I didn't even know they need and I did not know, Mama. And my boyfriend left me for Mercy. You to see her, Mercy was bringing her out to collect the ring.
Why wouldn't Mercy collect the ring? Yes! Your boyfriend came there and saw Mercy washing, okay? Exactly. When I ask you to wash, ask you to sweep, ask you to clean, it's mba. You are out there slaying. You wear short dress. You raise your bum at the back. And you slay.
It's only my fault though. You only always tell Mercy to cook, to do everything. You didn't teach me how to cook, Mama.
So you're not blaming me, okay? You're not blaming me. No problem. You know what you do? Do you know what you do? Go to the market, buy a ring, and dash it to any man there to marry you. Yes. You are looking at me.
Mama.
Market. Buy a ring. Give it to any man. Those men you slay with. Give it to them. Don't disturb my life. I want you people. Please. I've had it enough. I'm off here. They gave ring to somebody. You go and give ring to somebody. And stop disturbing me.
Hey.
I don't have money. I am broke. I cannot cook. The tomatoes I bought have been confiscated by task force. Yes. The other goods I asked them to bring from Kano, they have been taken away by armed robbers, so I don't have money. So leave me alone. Go and look for work to do. Go and work. Hey! Mercy! Mercy! Hey! My beautiful daughter!
How are you?
Hey, whoa! Chai! See how you are shining. You are so beautiful. Bia. Sit down. Sit. Don't stand. Sit down. Hey! Mom! Sit. Hey! See how you are shining. Ah! How you doing?
I'm good, Mama. How are you?
Stand up. Stand up. She's sitting, you are sitting. Conglomerate. She's sitting. And you want to put your yash on the ground. You're asking me for food. What is okay? This idiot. I will deal with you, don't worry.
How are you?
I am fine, oh. I am fine.
Sister, how are you doing?
Fine. Mama, let me go and see my friend.
It's okay, me?
I want to go and see my friend.
It's a lie. This is when you will sit down. Come on.
No.
We have a visitor. A very big visitor at that. You want to go and see your friend? Sit down.
Mama is okay.
Also, no, this one. I know her. Sit down. Sit down there.
Mama is okay. Take it easy.
No. How are you?
Mama, I'm fine.
Hey!
Mama, how about Chima?
Oh, that one. That thing he wanted to do to you the other time, he did it to somebody else. And as I'm speaking with you right now, Chima is cooling off in the jail with his big grammar. He's dead.
Chima?
Yes, sir.
In the jail? Hey, yeah. It's a pity. It's a pity.
Please, is this your car?
It's one of my cars.
Is it again?
Yes, Mama.
Your car? Hey, what?
Mama, Tony, my fiance, got me this particular car when I gained admission into the university to study law, Mama.
Chim. You are in the university.
Yes, Mama.
Studying law.
Yes, Mama.
Okay? Yes. Thank God. Thank God, my daughter. Hey!
So you're going to become a lawyer?
Mba.
By grace of God.
She will become a toddler.
Mama is okay.
If you go there, when I tell you to focus on your school and book in Simumba, you are jumping from one end to another, from year to year. Pizza, shawarma, plasmatic, what is it called again? Call it. Good. That is what you are buying.
Mama is okay. It's okay. I actually came down to see Uncle. So I decided to come and see you people too.
Really?
Yes, Mama.
I hope there's no problem.
No, not at all. My fiancé, he sent me to collect list for my bride price.
Bride giving?
My bride price, Mama.
How? Hey, have you gotten it now?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Hey, thank God. Don't forget to. You know I sell tomatoes.
Mama.
And fresh pepper. I will give you at any cost you want. I will give you at any cost you want. You know, and again, you know I cook very well.
I know.
I will cook if you don't mind.
No problem, Mama.
I can cook too.
You are an idiot. What do you want to cook? You want to cook food? You want to put ugu inside blender and blend it? What do you want to cook? Ofa.
Mama,
you are an idiot.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay.
My daughter.
I will be on my way.
Yes.
I
you want to go so soon?
Yes, Mama.
Anything for us?
Mama, don't worry when I come next time.
Really?
Yes,
hey.
Mama.
Mercy!
Mama.
Mercy! See how beautiful you are. Hey!
Thank you.
Hello. Be careful, oh?
It's okay.
Be careful, be careful.
Mama,
come.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
I can stand.
Mom.
Hey!
Hey! Hey! I hope this one is going to be triplets.
I pray.
2 of them will be living with me. You will take one to the city.
Mama. Mama, please, I don't want to be shouting too much.
No, these ones, I'll kill them. They cannot kill me. I will grind them. These ones.
Take care of yourself.
I will. You too take care of yourself, okay?
I will see you soon.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Take care.
Mm.
Sister, take care. Oh.
Take care of your husband, though. I will. Oh? Drive safely, oh?
Okay, Mama.
No, that she does not have money. She does not want to give us. So world is small. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Sit down there. Have you seen it?
Mama, this could have been me. Oh. That would have been my car. May you use my leg.
Thunder, fire you there. Thunder, remove all the things in your mouth. You got it. Anofia, should I give you from this side? Hey, oh yeah. Go and open the gate. Go. You are doing your shoulder like this for me. Come on, go and open the gate. Move. Move, Asa. Anofia. Stay at home and work, Simba. Cook with Simba. That's your mate, Mercy. Now in the university.
Oh, you want to open the gate? Thank you. Thank you. Mama, take care. Oh.
School, neck. I say, Mumbai, you're not going. You are wearing high heels. You are walking like somebody who is walking. Look at your mate now. Look at the car. You ask if it's a car. This one is machine. Machine. It's not motor. When it comes into your compound, you hear, that is the sound. And mafia, idiot. Come and meet me here. You wear short skirt. I was telling you the other day. Thought I was joking. You wear short skirt. You pack ugu. Ugu. You put it inside blender and you will blend it. It is now Ofa Usa. And mafia. Lock the gate very well and come and meet me here. Lock that gate and come back here. Idiot. You have not seen anything. I told you the other day to go and buy a ring and give to a man. Since I've given your ring to somebody, you are still here in my house. Don't worry, I will sell you out.
broken with tears. My father is no more, my mother is no more. Who will hear my cry? Alele bukwa mo, obi amawa gomo.